Hello, this is Lison from ACNTRUCK Vehicle Sales Company. Today we will introduce HELI CPCD30 to you. It has 5 meters lifting height and 1.8 wheelbase, and is equipped with pneumatic tires, automatic trains, and 5 meters mast. Moreover, it boasts switch and set shift so that it can meet the needs of various conditions. Of course, comfort is essential. Spacious seats, wide view, enlarged pedals, and handle will make your operation more comfortable. What's more, the forklift's hood is easy to open. Assembly and disassembly are also easy, so you don't need to worry about the post-maintenance issues. That's all currently. We have been exporting heavy machinery for 120 countries. So if you have any needs for heavy machine, please contact me at your convenient time. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.